Making your own cupcake templates in Microsoft Word. Part 1. Design. In this short series of videos, we will show you how to design and use your own cupcake templates in Microsoft Word. This first video in the series deals with the design of the template itself. We will be designing a template for 5 cm circles, like this. Let's get started by opening Word. Click on New. And then on Blank Document. We are now ready to start creating our first template. First, let's check that the document is set up correctly. Click on Layout. And check that the margins, orientation, size and column settings are correct. We need to set the margins to narrow, orientation to portrait, size to A4, and columns to 1. Once done, we can now proceed and choose a shape for our template. Click on Insert and select the Shapes drop-down menu. Select the ellipse shape and left-click it. Press and hold the Shift key. Draw a circle by pressing the left mouse button and dragging until the circle is about the right size. Then, use the height and width controls to adjust to the exact size, in this case 5 cm. Move the cursor onto the circle, and it will change shape, as shown. Right-click the circle to open this menu. Click on Copy, then right-click anywhere on the page, and click Paste on the drop-down menu. Right-click again, and paste another copy. Drag one of the circles to the top right of the page. It will snap to the top and right margins. Drag another circle to the top center of the page. Move it so it snaps to the top margin and center guide. Finally, drag the third circle to the top left of the page and snap it to the top and left margins. Press and hold the Shift key, then left-click on the other 2 circles to select them. Click the Group drop-down menu, then click on Group. Now let's make some copies of the group to complete our template. Right-click on the group and click Copy from the drop-down menu. Right-click on the page and then click on Paste in the drop-down menu. Click on the copy with the left mouse button and drag it to the bottom of the page. Snap it to the bottom margin. Right-click again and paste another copy. Drag this copy to roughly the position shown. Repeat with 2 more copies. At this stage, don't worry about absolute positioning, we will correct that next. Once all the groups are pasted, let's go ahead and align them. Press and hold the Shift key, then left-click on each group to select it. Click on Align, and then click Align Left on the drop-down menu. Click on Align again. This time, click on Distribute Vertically from the drop-down menu. The circles should now be aligned, horizontally and vertically. We still have all the circles selected, so let's change the fill and outline properties. This will make things easier when we come to add graphics to our template later. Click on Shape Fill, and then select No Fill from the drop-down menu. Next, click on Shape Outline, and then select a medium gray color. Click on Shape Outline again, and set the line weight to 1/4 point. Next, let's ungroup the circles so that they can be edited individually. That way, we will be able to have a different graphic in every circle, if needed. To do that, click on Group. And then on Ungroup. The circles are now ungrouped and can be edited individually. Click off the page to deselect them all. You can now select individual circles for editing, as shown. The template layout is complete. To save it, for reuse later, click on File at the top left of the screen. Then, click on Save As. Choose a location for saving the file, and type in the required file name. Let's go ahead and name this file, Cupcake Template 15 by 5 cm. Choose the format that you wish to save the file as. For easy reuse later, let's save it as a Word template. Once you have selected the format, click on Save, and the template will be saved to your chosen location. That ends Part 1 of this video series. In Part 2, we will show you how to import graphics into your template, and Part 3 will deal with adding text. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel. Hit the notification bell to be informed as soon as new videos are available.